if you're trying to get epoxy into an area like this, it can be very difficult. I mean, you can try scooping it in there, you know, trying to push it in there like that. Or you can take a Ziploc bag, cut a corner and try to squirt it in there. But let me show you a little trick I use. So this is what you want to do. You want to find you a caulking tube. One of these plastic ones work well. And if you've got a water-based product that cleans up with water, that makes it a lot easier, but clean it out. You may want to get one that's not pushed all the way down to the end. That makes it very hard to get the plunger out. So this one I've already cleaned out and worked it out, but I just flip it around like that, but I cleaned it out. So what I did was when it was down in there pretty far, I was able to squeeze it in there like that and pull it out. So next, what we want to do is mix up some peanut butter consistency epoxy and fill this tube. So let's go do that. Now the fun part is packing this. Okay, so here we go. See that? Squirt it right in there. Put a nice bead right in there.